It's your boy Just Love K. I'm gonna try something new today. I'm about to be riding a motorcycle, but stay tuned. Hey, what's good, YouTube? Hey, but Mila taught me the basics, so he gonna record me in a sec. He doing something right now, but I'm chilling right now. So in a minute, I'm gonna catch back in with y'all, and y'all gonna see me ride this bitch.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta turn the key on. I'm dead. Oh, there you go. Oh. Go ahead. Kickstands up. Okay. It's already up. Okay, so dang, what's wrong then? Did you push the button? Oh, the kill switch. Make sure that's off. There we go. Go ahead. Let's go. Cold start. It's not really cold no more, but hey, there we go. There we go. A little something. Okay, now just let go a little bit. Let me get out the front. A little bit. Keep doing a little bit. Oh, there you go. And keep right there.
Okay.
And then you can let go all the way when you start going fast. Yeah, see? Oh, turn back over here, Kay. Over here. Okay. Sorry, bad cameraman. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good YouTube. Sorry I haven't posted it in a while, but I been going through it. I'm trying to save up a car, but hey, a car video coming soon. When I get it, y'all gonna know. But yeah. Alright, see y'all. Subscribe, do all that. Bye.
My nigga K checked the nigga, he was looking funny. Next time when we stay, nigga, out of town we making money. Now we sitting all them